Creating a multifunctional space is easy with the right furniture pieces. When you need a space to relax, entertain, work, exercise, and even sleep, it's important that all of your furniture is capable of more than one task. In this small room, we've created a living and dining area that can accomplish all of that and more. Starting in the dining area, we anchored the room with a dining table that offers end storage and multiple seating options. Adding chairs with back support allows for extended work and conferencing. The industrial bar cart offers a ton of storage and keeps the space looking tidy. The pair of bookshelves provides room for displaying personal items and creating additional storage. In the living area, we've gone with a neutral gray sofa for lounging that also easily converts into a bed. If you're looking for a more comfortable place to work, plop down on the couch and pull up the lift-top table and work in style. The lift-top table is also a perfect place to enjoy a meal, store personal items, and it easily moves on casters out of your way for yoga or extra space. The matching end table also provides extra work and storage space and has hidden cup holders to keep your favorite beverage handy during the day and in the evening when it's time to unwind. Keeping organized in a small space is key, and this entertainment center provides a place to tuck away all of your daily clutter to keep the area looking tidy. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.